Wala nang hindi na ako nagwo-work ng Sabado at saka Linggo. Talagang parang feeling ko ang tamad-tamad ko na. More than, ano na yata, one year and almost 2 years na pala na hindi ko nag-work ng weekends. Good night, Sis Rain. Salamat. Sweet dreams, Sis Rain. Good night, Sis Laura from Sis Rain. Salamat sa 25 thumbs up, guys, ha? And 16 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Ayan. Ay, habang ano naman, nagiging okay naman, hindi naman siya masyadong durog. Yung ano. Bunso, salamat. I-video ko sana si husband na na gumagawa ng masa. Pag gumagawa siya ng bread. Ayaw na ayaw niya kasi. Napaka killjoy. Ayan, nakatatlong perfect ako, Sis Lori. Ayan. Buti naman. Ayan, tignan mo, perfect. Hindi siya na nakatatlong perfect ako. Hindi siya durog. Good night, Sis Ads Good night, Sis Nor from Ads. And good night, Sis Ads from Sis Rain. From Noreen. 20 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Are you cracking the entire... I don't know, Jassy. You know, it's taking me so much time to open. I am not used of cracking the walnuts because, you know, my husband makes it. So, I am just trying. Perhaps I will stop now because, you know, I'm not... Look. All are broken. Broken siya. Hindi siya So guys, you see? These are all what I cleaned. You see? I think we have enough. So guys, hiwa-hiwalay na tayo, ha? At ako'y magluluto na. Mahirap naman na ilagay ko pa na naman yung dun sa kalan ko yung cellphone ko. 19 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Ayan guys, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for your support. Jander Ferreira, muchísimas gracias. Leon Olson, thank you. Vershaiv, thank you so much if you are still there. Or Samosang Society, salamat. Inang Pom, Sis Katya, Sis Ads, Ading Charles, Nang Loads, sa ampon ni Inang, si Mayor Erisken, to Sis Lorico, maraming salamat. Ogir Coins, thank you so much for staying with us this afternoon. Nong Parikoy, maraming salamat. And who's more? Sisi Selly pala, Selly Devero. Salamat, Sisi. Sis Rain, maraming salamat, ha. Good night there. Ayan. Guys, maraming salamat, ha, sa mga suporta ninyo sa akin. Happy weekend, everyone. Sa mga hindi ko na banggit dyan, pasensya na lang. Ading Charles, ingat ka dyan sa trabaho, Biajans, thank you so much for staying. Ayan, hindi ko pala nabanggit yun. Bye-bye guys! Take care everyone! Dipuyaters ng Lods, salamat! Hindi ko na yan bibigyan ng damit ng Lods. Bye-bye guys! Thank you so much! Have a happy week!